Do you feel like your autistic child gets very distracted when you're trying to read to them and you wonder, why the heck am I even doing this? Are they even paying attention? I want to tell you about a study that I came across that may encourage you. Researchers wanted to look at neurotypical children versus autistic children and how they were read to and how that impacted their language skills. They looked at how often families read together at home. They looked at how parents talk to their child while they're reading. They looked at how much kids pay attention while they're being read to. They also wanted to measure whether or not reading connects to a child's language skills. Both groups of parents reported reading about the same amount to each group of children. Researchers also watched the families as they read to their children in the reading lab. The parents of the autistic children said that their kids were less engaged, they really struggled to pay attention, and were very distracted during the reading. Overall, they seemed to enjoy the reading time a lot less than the neurotypical kids. What's interesting, though, is that for the autistic children, the more that the parents read aloud to them and the better quality reading time they had, the better the autistic kids' language outcomes were. What does this mean? This means that reading aloud every night to your child might really help their language to grow. And I know that this might take a little bit of extra effort for your child and they might get distracted. Of course, one of the best things you can do is consult an occupational therapist if you have concerns about their sensory regulation. Overall, I thought this was just a great takeaway and a great way to encourage parents to read aloud at night. And I'll share the results of the study below.